question number 1. Here, find the sum of the by suitable rearrangement. So we have to arrange the number and then we have to add. So for while arranging the numbers, keep in mind that the numbers at the unit digit must be 0. Probably you should try that the sum of the last digits must be 0. See here in the example we are going to take 837 plus 208 plus 363. So first we will think about the numbers having 10 as a unit place. See here in 837 and 363, the sum of the numbers at unit place, that is 7 and 3 is 10. So we will make the group of them and we will write down, and the remaining number we will keep it outside. So it is 837 plus 363 gives us plus 208. 837 plus 363, just add it. 3 plus 7 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 3 9, plus 1 10, again 0, carry 1. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12. So the sum of them both is 1200 plus 208. So now it's easy. 1200 plus 208, it directly gives us 1408. Okay, so it's very easy, beta. Similarly, if you make another method, just for your information, this method I am showing you. If you make a different group, 837 plus 208 plus 363. This is for example only. Adding both of them, 7 plus 8 15, carry 1. 3 plus 0, that is 3, and carry 1, so it is 4. And 8 plus 2, that is 10. 1045 plus 363. Now let us add both. 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 4 10, carry 1. 0 plus 1 1, plus 3 4, and 1. So see here both the answers are same, 1408. So it doesn't make any difference to make the group, but try to make it with the arrangement of denominator as a 10. Both methods are valid, but it's become easier. Okay, so let us see with question 2. Here see 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. So take out the two digits which has 10 as a unit digit. So and we have to add both. So see 1962 2, and in the second question in the number 1538, if we will add both of this, we will get 10 as a unit digit, and in the 453 and 647, that will also give us 10. So we will add this way: 1962 plus 1538 plus 453 plus 647. See both the groups gives the number 0 at the last digit. So 8 plus 2 10, carry 1. 6 plus 1 7, plus 3 again 0, carry 1. 9 plus 10 plus 5 15, carry 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 5 0 0, plus 0. 5 plus 4 9, plus 1 10, again 0. 6 plus 4 10, plus 1 11. So see here 3500 plus 1100. Let us add 0 0 6 and 4. So the final answer is 4600. Okay, it becomes easy this way. Next one, here we have to find out the product by arranging the numbers. Again beta, same thing we will try to make a 0 at the units place. So see here, if you multiply 2 and 168, we will not get 0 at the unit place, but if you multiply 2 with 50, we will get 100. So 2 into 50, we will make a group of that, and then we will multiply it by 1768. 2 into 50 gives us 100 into 1768. 1768 into 100, it's very easy. 1768 into 100 gives us 176800. We have to just add the number of zeros. Okay, 1768 and 2 zeros. Okay, It's very easy way, na? If you will multiply by a different method, then also it's valid, but it becomes easier when you multiply the digits having 0. Say here in the second question, 4 into 166 into 25. 4 into 25 gives us again 100. So 4 into 25. We will multiply this and leave the another number. 4 into 25 into bracket 1 into 166. 4 into 25, that is 100 into 166. So here we just have to write down 166 and the number of zeros. So 166 and the number of zeros, 2 zeros, 166 0 0. Okay. Third one, 8 into 291 into 125. Same type of the sum, beta. 8 into 125. Just do it in a rough page. You will find out that 8 into 125 is 1000. So we will make the group of them both. 8 into 125. Okay. If you cannot find it, just multiply 8 into 125. You will get 40. So at the days, so we will do this way. 8 into 125 into 291. 8 into 125 gives us 1000, as I have told you. 8 5 are 40, 4 carry, 16 plus 20, 2 carry and 10. So 1000 into 291. Now again the same thing, 291 1 ja, 291 and the number of zeros, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 291 0 0 0. Similarly for the D question, 625 into 279 into 16. So here we will get 625 into 16. We will have to make that group because 6 5s are 30. You know the unit digits. So 625 into 16. We will multiply and we will leave the 279 as a different. 5 into 6. See, if you will multiply by 9, so we will get 45. And if you will multiply 6 5s, so we will get 30. So the unit digit is 0. So we will multiply that way. Okay. See, I have given you the example. 625 into 16 into 279. Let us see what is the answer of 625 into 16. 625 into 16. 0, 30, 3 carry, 6 2 are 12, plus 3, 15, carry 1, 6 6 are 36, plus 1, 37. Now we will put 0, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 6 1s are 6. Add both of them, we will get 0, 0, carry 1, again 0, carry 1 and 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So it is 10,000. 10,000 into 279. So again 279 into 1, that is 279 itself, and the number of zeros, that is 4 zeros, 279 0 0 0 0. Okay. See, you can see here how it becomes easy when we do this. Okay. Come on, E, 285 into 5 into 60. See, here you can make any group, 285 into 5 into 60, because the 0 is itself there. So we will just put it 5 into 60. It is 6 5s are 30 and 1 0, that is 300. 285 into 300. Now let us multiply 285 into 3. So 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 8 3 are 24, plus 1 25, carry 2, 3 2s are 6, plus 2 8. So it is 855 and the 2 zeros. Don't forget to put the zeros at last. Okay. Come on, let us see question number F. Here also, beta, see, there are 4 digits given. You can make any 2 groups with having zeros at the unit place. Say 125 into 40, we will multiply that, and 8 into 25. Take care that you must get 0 at the unit place, so it will become easy. You can arrange in any another manner. I am just giving you one example. You can arrange it yourself in any other manner. So here I am going to make a group of this two way. It is 125 into 40 and 8 into 25. See here, as you can see, take care of the digit getting at 0 at unit place. Here 125 into 8, as we have multiplied earlier, 125 into 8 gives us 1000, and similarly 25 into 4 again 1000. 8 5 are 40, carry 1 8 to the 16 plus 4 20, carry 2 10, that is 1000. Similarly 25 4 are 100 and 1 0. 25 4 are 100 and 1 0, that is 1000. So 1000 into 1000 we will get. So 1 ones are 1, and total zeros of both the numbers 3 plus 3, that is 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Put the commas, you will get the final answer. Okay, let us start question 3. Find the values. Here beta, it's a different law, that is called distributive law. Here you will have 2 multiplication, and in between 2 there will be addition, and both the multiplication will have one number in common. See here, 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So we have 297 in both the parts. So we can take out 297 as a common number. So 297 into 17, that is one group, and second group is 297 into 3. From both the groups we can take out 297 as a common number. So we will take out common 297. Now what is left from the first group? From the first group we have taken 297, so we have left only 17. So we will put 17, and in between them there is plus, so we will put plus. And from the second group we have taken 297, so we have got only 3, so we will put 3. Now let us see, 17 plus 3 gives us 20. Okay, so leave it, 297 into 20. So 297 into 20, 7 to the, we can multiply, 7 to the 14, 4 carry 1, 9 to the 18 plus 1 19, carry 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. So it is 594 and 1 0 from the 20. So it is 5940. Second question B, 54279 into 92 plus 8 into 54729. See again the two groups. You can check out the two groups. First we will write down it. Five 44279 into 92 plus 8 into 54279. See here, both the groups have 54279 as a common number. We will take out it a common. So 54279 into, we have left 92 from the first group. In between there is plus, and 8 from the second group. So it is 54279 into bracket 92 plus 8. So 92 plus 8 gives us 100. So 54279 into 100. So 54279 ones are 54279 and 2 zeros from the 100. So it is 54279 0 0. Question C. Let us see question C. $81265 into 169 minus 81265 into 69. We can take out 81265 as a common number. So from the first group we have left 81265 common. Here 169. In between there is minus and minus 69. So bracket over. Now 169 minus 69 gives us 100, and here it is into 81265. 81265 into 100, that is 81265 into 1 and 2 zeros, okay, from the 100. D, 3845 into 5, 782, and second group is 769 into 25 into 218. So this is quite complicated sum, so whatever I am speaking, just take care when I am doing it here. So here see 5, both side we have 5 and another side we have 25. 25 can be divided into two groups, that is 5 into 5. Here we will divide it. We will write down it separately, so you can get an idea what we are doing. 3845. I am not doing anything in the first group. First group I am writing just as it is. In second group 769, I am dividing 25 into two groups, that is 769 into 5 into 5, as I have told you, 25 is divided into two groups, into 218. Now let us see what happens when we multiply 769 into 15. I am using only 15 from the first group. 769 into 5, so 45, 30, 34, 4, 3, 35 and 38, so it is 3845. We will write down this number in place of the two numbers which we are used. So we get the answer in common, 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 3845. See here I am writing in place of these two numbers, 3845 into 5 into 218. See here from both the groups you will get a common numbers, 3845 into 5, and here also 3845 into 5. We will take out both common. 3845 into 5 into bracket we have left 782 from the first group, plus both the numbers are gone, so here only we have 218 left, so 218 from the second group. First see here we will just add it, so 1, 8 plus 1 plus 1 10, again carry 1, 7 plus 2 plus 1 9, 10, so it is 1000. 782 plus 218 gives us 1000. Let us multiply this both. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, carry 2, 8 5s are 40 plus 2 42, 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. So it is 19225 into 1000. So we will just write down the number 19225 into 1, that is 19225, and 3 zeros from the 1000. Okay, so we will get the final answer 19225,000. Okay, let us see all the exercise. You can check out all the exercise here. Okay, I am also sending you the pictures of it for your convenience. If you are not able to write it from the video, you can write out it from the images I will send you along with this video. Okay, so take care and write down in your notebook. Let us start with question 4. In question 4, here we have to find out the product using suitable properties. So here 738 into 103. We will use a suitable property here. So for that we have to keep in mind certain properties. So here first 738 into 103. For doing this, keep in mind that it becomes easier. Properties are generally used when we have to make the sum easy. So if I want to multiply this 738 into 103, I will have to divide the 103 into two parts. It becomes easy better. See here 738 into, I am dividing 103 into two parts, that is 100 plus 3. Okay, so it's a reverse method which we have done in question number 3. Here 738 I will give it to both of them. So it is a distributive law. A into bracket B plus C gives us A into B plus B A into C. So we will give similarly 738 to both the numbers. So 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. So 738 into 100 gives us 73800 plus 8 3 is 24. 738 I will multiply it here by 3. So 8 3 is 24, carry 2, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 21, 7 3 is 21 plus 1 22. So it is 2214. 2214. 738 plus 00 plus 2214, so 4, 0 plus 1 1, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 and 7. So final answer is 76014. Okay. Second one, 854 into 102. Here as we have done earlier, we will divide 102 into two parts, that is 854 into bracket 100 plus 2. Again same thing, 854 we will distribute to both of them, 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. 854 into 100 gives us 85400 from the hundreds, and 854 into 2, 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10, carry 1, 8 to the 16 plus 1 17. So it is 1708. Add both of them, 0 plus 8 gives us 8, 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 4 11, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 and 8. So final answer is 87108. Question C, 258 into 1008. So 258 into bracket 1000 plus 8, the nearest 1000. So 1000 plus 8. 258 we will distribute 258 into 1000 one group, and the second group will be 258 into 8. So answer of first group is easy, 258 into 1000, that is 258000, 3 zeros from the 1000. Okay, and similarly 258 into 8 we will have to multiply it. So 8 is 64. Here I am doing it separately, so you can find the answer. 8 is 64, 5 is 40 plus 46, 6, 4, 8 to the 16, 20. So 2064. We have to just add it, both of them. 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 0, 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, again 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 5, 6 and 2. So final answer is 260064. Okay. So let us see question number D, 1005 into 168. So don't get afraid if the number we are distributing is earlier given first. So here we will divide 1005. Don't think that 168, beta, 168 is a larger number, so we will divide 1005, it becomes easy, 1000 plus 5 into 168. So if the number is given backside, then also we will distribute in the same manner, 1000 into 168 plus 5 into 168, second group. Okay, don't get confused when the number is given on the backside. 1000 into 168, that is 168000 plus 168 into 5, 8 5 is 40, 6 5 is 30 plus 4 34, 5 1 is 5 plus 3 8, 840, 168 plus 840, 0 4 8 8 6 1. So the final answer is 168840. Let us see question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost 44 rupees per liter, how much did he spend in all? So here beta see, indirectly we are given a different method, or you can say a distributive method is given separately. So the total amount of petrol he bought on Monday and on the next day, we have to add both of them, and then we have to multiply by the total cost for the petrol, that is 44. So it's easy beta, just you have to think for some time. So total petrol is equal to, here petrol filled on Monday is 40 liters and petrol filled on Tuesday, that is the next day, it is 50 liters. So total petrol is equal to 40 plus 50, it gives us 90 liter. Okay, so here totally bought the petrol 90 liter petrol. Now cost for 1 liter petrol is given 44 rupees. Okay, so the total petrol he bought is 90. So what will be the cost for 90 liters? Cost for 90 liter petrol here, so we have to multiply 90 into 44. Cost of 90 liter petrol, one liter cost 44, so 90 liter cost 90 into 44. Okay, just we have to multiply it, that you know is easy. 44 into 90, let us multiply. Here 9 into 44 we will multiply. Here 100 minus 10, yes, we are using the property, so we will get 44 into 100 minus 44 into 10. So it is 4400 minus 440. Let us subtract both of this. We will have to borrow it 0. Here we will need to borrow. So we will get 6, and here as we have borrowed we will write down 3 here. So 13 minus 4, that is 9, and here we will have 3. So it is 3960. So the total cost for the petrol he has spent is rupees 3960. Okay, this is the final answer. Let us see next question. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters in the evening. And if the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to vendor per day? So how much rupees he earned in one day, we have to find out. First we will need to find out the total amount of the milk he gives to the hotel in a day, in morning and evening both. Okay, then at last finding the total, and then we can multiply it by the cost. Okay, so let us see. Vendor supplied milk in morning, which is equal to 32 liter, and vendor supplies milk in evening, which is equal to 68 liters. So total milk he supplies is equal to, total milk supplied by the vendor is equal to 38 plus 32 plus 68, that is 0, carry 1, so it is 100 liter per day. So cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 15. So what will be the cost for 100 liter of milk? So it becomes easy, beta, 100 into 15. So it is 15, ones are 15 and 2 zeros, that is 1500 rupees is due for the vendor on one day. Here we have to match the following in question number 7. Here we have to see and find out the properties used in the following statements given on the left hand side. See, first question, let us see. Keep in mind it's very easy, beta. All the properties are also very easy. So here first, see here 425 into 136. Here first 136 is divided into different parts. See, 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. See, so you can say that it's as the 425 is to be distributed in all the three numbers. So it is distributive property. So first answer will be distributive of multiplication over addition. So first answer is 1 is C. Okay. Similarly, see here the numbers are given in a different manner. Here that is 2 into 49 into 50, and here the places of for 50 and 49 are changed. So it means that the numbers are multiplied in any manner gives the same answer. In any manner, whenever you multiply the number, if the places of the number is changed, then also the answer will be same. So it is answer is of commutative property under multiplication, as there is a multiplication. So answer is commutative under multiplication. So answer of 2 is A. Okay. And so the remaining, just you need the explanation. Here see addition 80 into 205 into 20. The places of 20 and 205 is changed. They are interchanged. Again it says the same thing. The numbers are added in any manner or in any order. The number answer remains same. So the final answer is for the third one is commutative under addition. Okay. So it's easy way. Write down all the exercise in your notebook. Make it fair.